This is lesson part 1 of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We're going to work on playing the melody, and we're going to break that into 3 parts. The first part, which will be Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The second part will be How I Wonder What You Are. The last part will be Up above the world so high. And then when we add those 3 parts together in the way that I'll show you, you'll be able to play the entire song. So the first part of it is just 3 notes. The first note is an open 3rd string. Okay, open means you don't put a finger on here. And watch my thumb. I'm just going to pluck this string. 1, 2. That's your first note. Or twinkle, twinkle. Okay. The next note, you'll put your 3rd finger. Where am I at camera-wise? 3rd finger, your ring finger, will go on the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, of your 2nd string, and you'll play that twice as well. Twinkle. Okay. So far we've got open, open, twinkle, twinkle, and then we'll go to your open 1st string. See where my thumb is at here? Little. And then back to the 3rd fret of your 2nd string 1 time for star. Now let's put those together. Open, open, 3, 3, open, open, 3. Or twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. One more time. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now you can also look at the page that I gave you that has the illustrations and how to draw, illustrations drawn of how to play this. There are 3 of them. They're titled 1, 2, and 3, and we just did part 1. So now we're going to move on to part 2, which is How I Wonder What You Are. That's part 2. It comes right after Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So part 2, we start with our 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. See, I'm at 1 2nd string, and I'm going to pluck that with my thumb. 1, 2, same string open, 1, 2, 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 1, 2, 3rd string open. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. How I wonder what you are. How I wonder what you are. Once more. How I wonder what you are. Again, this part, you can look at the illustration page that I gave you, and that's part 2. Now we'll move on to the 3rd part, which is Up above the world so high. It's also the same as the next line, Like a diamond in the sky. So we're going to play that part. There's only 4 notes again, and this time we start with our 3rd finger, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. It's the same note that we played, the 2nd note in the very 1st part. So we'll start here. Up, 1st finger, 1st fret of the same string, of the open 2nd string, world so, 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, high. So again, we're here. Up above the world so high. Up above the world so high. So the first 3 notes are all on the 2nd string. 3rd fret, 1st fret, open string, and then 2nd fret of the 3rd string for the last note. So that's up above the world so high. Up above So that's all three parts. Now when we put those three parts together, we get the entire song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All three of these parts are on the instruction sheet that I gave you, and the order in which to play them is also on that instruction sheet. We'll review this in depth at class, and then you'll have an entire week to work on it before the second class. And we'll meet at the second class. If you have any questions, we'll review that song and make sure that you can play it comfortably and confidently. Okay? Thank you.